Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Last week, I mentioned we would be traveling off-site for the next episode. Well, we had to reschedule that for next week. Today, it's time to pick some peppers. My lovely wife, whose name is Kat, is a big part of 7 Pot Club. She doesn't like to appear on camera, so she doesn't always get the credit she so richly deserves. In fact, she's shooting this video right now. She also takes and posts most of the photos you'll see on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. One thing you probably don't know about me is that I have deuteranomaly, a type of red-green color blindness. Although I think I see colors normally, a quick color vision deficiency test proves otherwise. So when it comes to selecting and harvesting ripe peppers, I let Kat take the lead. She's been out of town for a few days, so there are quite a few ready to pick. In this episode, we'll see what she harvests today. But first, a quick musical performance. I wasn't planning to have a new tune for you this week, but I came up with this short songlet at the last minute, and I'm going to do it live without any rehearsal. Here we go. Summer and we're having so much fun. Gotta maximize our time out in the sun. It's summer and we're barefoot in the grass. I wish there was a way to make it last. Many like to recreate in a boat out on the lake, but others would prefer to take a walk along the shoreline. I could move to a different state where it's like this on every date, but then would I appreciate the fleeting days of summer? It's summer and it's time to hit the beach. Roast an ear of corn or eat a peach. It's summer and sometimes it almost hurts eating what we planted in the dirt. It's summer and we're having so much fun. It's summer and we're having so much fun.
That performance was a little rough around the edges, but if you enjoyed it, stick around for a short reprise at the very end of this episode. Let's take a quick tour around the front yard. There are peppers everywhere you look. As Axl Rose once sang, "Welcome to the jungle." A lot of ripening is going on, mainly in the potted plants, with peak harvest expected in 2 or 3 weeks. Good morning, Kat. She's got her basket and she's ready for the first round of today's picking. With around 200 plants scattered around the yard, it takes a while to find and collect all the ripe specimens. Like me, Kat is big on organization. After she picks several varieties, she brings them inside to label and arrange on the dining room table for photographing later. By the way, if you've been watching our channel, you've seen our cat Freddy. Here's our other cat, Kajsa. She'll be 14 in October. Unlike Freddy, she's very shy and rarely ventures outside. So it's a treat to be able to feature her in this episode. In late afternoon, after we're done shooting the intro and outro of this episode, round 2 of picking begins. Picking prolific small varieties is a real act of patience. So many colors, shapes, and sizes. By the time picking is completed and the peppers have been labeled and arranged, it's already dark outside. Here's today's harvest. We'll be doing this all again in just a couple of days. Carolina Reapers usually take a little longer to ripen, but not to worry, as there will be plenty soon.
That's it for this episode. Kat didn't pick a whole peck of peppers, which is a quarter bushel, but she got a pretty good haul for the last day of July. We'll take some to the farmer's market, freeze some for later, and eat the rest. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, where we post new photos daily. And if you haven't already, it would be incredibly appreciated if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Tap the bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications of new uploads. We'll debut a new video every week throughout the growing season, and you won't want to miss an episode. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob. Summer and we're having so much fun. Gotta maximize our time out in the sun. It's summer and we're barefoot in the grass. I wish there was a way to make it last. It's summer and we're having so much fun. It's summer and we're having so much fun.